Welcome to our video, where I will show you the healing powers of Giloy. Let's get into it, shall we? Boosting immunity in times when we're stuck at home with little outdoor activity and facing a global health crisis has been on the minds of many of us these past few months. Be it sipping lukewarm turmeric water or adding more garlic to our food than usual, a lot of us are resorting to nuskhas and Ayurvedic herbs that our great-grandmothers and aunts would swear by. One such Ayurvedic herb is Giloy, a plant known for its medicinal benefits. What is Giloy? Known as Amrita in Sanskrit, which translates to the root of immortality. The botanical name for Giloy is Tinospora cordifolia. The stem of Giloy plant is used for the treatment of chronic and intermittent fever. Boosts immunity. Giloy is considered as the queen of herbs and the most versatile Ayurvedic herb that can treat many health problems. It regulates and strengthens immunity, and reports say it is a source of biologically active compounds like alkaloids and lactones. It balances blood sugar levels and detoxes and improves skin. Reduces stress. Giloy is used as an adaptogenic herb to reduce anxiety as well as mental stress. If combined with other herbs, Giloy can help in getting rid of toxins, and it calms down your mind and boosts the memory. Treats arthritis. Giloy contains anti-arthritic properties that can help to treat arthritis and its several symptoms. For joint pain, the powder from Giloy stem can be boiled with milk and consumed. Treats diabetes. This herb helps in managing the level by assisting in the production of insulin. Giloy can also burn excess glucose and reduce the level of blood sugar. Giloy works in this regard due to its hypoglycemic effects. Fights respiratory problems. It helps to reduce respiratory problems like frequent cough, cold, and tonsillitis, due to its anti-inflammatory benefits. It also tackles respiratory and breathing problems. These are also major signs of the novel coronavirus infection. Improves digestion. Indigestion is one of the most common problems we go through. Giloy helps to improve the digestive system and bowel movement. It is used in various Indian churans. It also improves metabolism and is useful for weight management. Solution to chronic fever. The herb is often used to bring down fevers, commonly without any side effects, due to its antipyretic activity. Drinking fresh Giloy juice helps to improve immunity, says Ayurvedic experts. It also increases the platelet count. Improves vision. Giloy is known to have antioxidants such as lutein, which is good for your eyes. These antioxidants help in improving your eyesight and keeping your eyes healthy. Reduces signs of aging. Giloy contains anti-aging properties that help to reduce aging, dark spots, pimples, fine lines and wrinkles, and acne. Giloy powder can also be used for various skin problems, as it helps to remove toxins from the body. Healing wounds. Giloy also helps in stimulating phagocytic cells, which helps in healing wounds. You can apply Giloy leaf paste on the skin to speed up the wound healing process, as it helps skin regeneration. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.